So today we are going to learn this 2D rose flower, and it's going to be a 2D flower for cards or quilling artworks. Welcome to Pannu's Quilling Point, and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'm using 3 mm strip. This is one strip and I'm just rolling it using the quilling needle. So let's roll it and let's make a loose coil, little bit loose coil. Now let's loosen up this coil using your pro circle. So let's loosen up over here and let's make a loose coil. You can also loosen up in your hands. So it is loosening up and it will be the middle portion of the rose. So I'm going to stick it on this white card. So I've applied glue and I'm going to stick it in middle, and rest of the petals will be around this coil. So make sure you apply less glue, it will be really helpful for you, and press the middle portion properly. Now again take your red strip. I have taken half red strip, yes, and make it a loose coil like this. And now using your fingers, give it a crescent like shape, moon like shape, and stick it on your around this coil like this. So I'm just trying that whether it is getting properly fixed or not. To get a perfect crescent shape, I have used this border buddy so that it will give a perfect curve of like moon like shape. So I have taken some glue out on some piece of card and removing some extra glue, and with the help of this tweezer I'm going to stick it around this loose coil. Make sure you use less glue. So now I'm going to complete this first layer around the loose coil, and I'm trying that this shape is getting properly fixed or not. It will be like one part inside, one part outside. So it is like a 2D shape rose will look somewhat like this. Now stick it using glue properly. So one part will be outside, one part will be inside. hold it using tweezer, it will take time to stick. Like this. And now I'll be making the third crescent shape for the first layer of this, or the inner layer of this rose. So again I have made this loose coil and I'm giving it a moon-like shape. So you can continue with this until you feel that the rose is formed properly, and give a crescent shape using your fingers or your border buddy. There is no hard and fast rule, so just try it. And I would like to thank Quill Thrill Creation for this idea I saw in her Instagram. So I was really I wanted to do this since so many years, but I don't know why I didn't try it. So I just saw her work and I thought, let's try this. So I would like to thank her. So here we go, and the first layer is complete, like this. So here the first layer is complete, and likewise you have to make the rest of the layers. So in the same manner I have made all the crescent shapes according to the size which is growing from inside towards the outside direction. So I have also made some bigger moon shapes, and I'm following the same process to make a crescent shape and stick it around the layers like this. So this is my second layer is done, and now I'm moving towards my third layer. So I hope this looks good. I'm trying this for the first time, and this is how it looks. And now let's add leaves to it. So for leaves I have again taken green color 3mm strip, and I'm going to make a really simple marquees. For this I have taken one single strip and I have made marquees. So here is how we make marquee or eye shape. Pinch it from both the sides like this, and you get a proper eye shape, and stick it besides the petals like this. So I have made 2 petals. You can add as per your choice, as per you like. So this is how the rose looks. I hope you like this video, and do let me know in the comments that have you made any 2D flower. Do let me know in the comments. Bye.